All right, so I thought I'll start off the year with something really cool, something really awesome, something that you might be actually very, very interested on getting. And these are headphones, and they're particularly good headphones. This is the TOZO NC3 headphone with active noise cancellation. It is actually a pretty popular brand. Now, this particular device has a very long battery life. It has a unique LED display. It has dynamic drivers, 12 millimeter dynamic drivers, and it can translate for you. It shows the charge of the device. It's really, really cool. Let's unbox it and let me show you what this headphone does. So in the box, we have the headphones themselves. As you can see, sadly, the camera is not showing really nicely the LED display over here. It's not vibrating. It's just because of the camera. Right now it's at 97%. You can see the left and the right earbuds, how they are. Now this headphone is USB-C, and you see it has like nice little flat top and bottom, so you can put it down on a table. It won't wobble, it won't fall over. You can put it at the nightstand, wherever you want. You can always see how charged it is. Also in the box come a big variety of ear tips. These are for different size ears. If you want to change them, you can. They're small, medium, and large, so you'll find everything that you need. Apart from this, a USB-C to USB-A cable, very cute, very short. You don't need any longer. This is also included. And of course, the paperwork. This is the quick guide on how to connect it to your phone, what it does, how it does it. You have the Amazon shipping app to learn more about this product. This is the user manual. You have all the information over here to know more about the product and some legal paperwork. So that's basically what you get inside the box. Now, this headphone I've been using for over a week now, and I can say that I am pretty satisfied with it. As you can see, it has magnetic ends. It just pops in there and charges automatically. So your headphones are always going to be well charged. The design is actually pretty cool. I quite like it. It's black, and it's a matte finish with a nice little LED display in the front. Now you have some text in here. It doesn't really bother, and it's super light. You're not going to notice this in your pocket. It's not going to get in your way. That's what I really, really like about it. On the back over here, you have a Bluetooth button or sync button. If you press this, you can connect it to your phone. And I'll show you how it looks when you connect it to your phone. So here we are. This is my phone, and these are my headphones. Now, what you need to know is Bluetooth, normal Bluetooth connectivity. So you go into your Bluetooth settings, and then you press this button here on the bottom, and immediately you can see other devices, TOZO NC3. You tap on it, and it's connected. Now, this has a companion app, a really cool companion app, which is called TOZO. You go into the application, and you already see your device is connecting. There you go, connected. It shows you the charge of your device, so left and right bud, and you can see a lot of other things over here. You can change your EQ, but we'll go into that in just a moment. Let me talk about these headphones. What can they do? Now, these headphones have the TOZO Orange X 2.0 acoustics technology. It delivers deep resonant bass, refined treble, and crystal clear natural vocals, ensuring every note and beat is perfectly balanced for a richer and more immersive sound. It also has the TOZO Bass Plus acoustic technology, which means that the TOZO NC3 features a high rigidity composite dome expanding frequency response and precision for clear, brilliant highs, and the diaphragm uses a high elastic polymer, increasing the flexibility for deep, rich bass, delivering a powerful low frequency performance. And to be honest, I did actually feel this while I was using it. I used it for over a week now. They are actually pretty good headphones. Now, the 12mm dynamic drivers deliver immersive sound with powerful, detailed highs. Also, there is a smart adaptive noise cancellation, so it automatically adjusts the noise cancellation in real time using 3 built-in microphones to optimize your environment. You can effortlessly switch between modes for a personalized, comfortable, and immersive listening experience no matter where you are. One other cool thing about this is it's IPX8 water resistance and it has a hydro guard technology, so it's fully sealed cavity technology. I didn't drop it in water. I do not recommend it, but if you do, I think you'll be fine. So with all of this, let's look at the application. I'm gonna put these into my ear right now, and they disconnected for a moment, but I'm pretty sure they'll connect again. Connecting, and there you go. The headphones are in my ear, and as you can see, we have many options over here. We have noise cancellation, transparency mode, reduce wind noise, leisure mode, normal mode, custom patterns, and there's a products tab over here, which basically just shows you other TOZO products. You have community down here. And the most interesting thing for me was the AI, where you can actually record meetings and have real-time translation, which I used in China. And it was so cool. I just turned it on and I could understand everything that they were saying to me. It translated in real time. I heard it in my ear. I could respond. I could react to whatever they did. As you can see, this is all the things. I was in a taxi and I was listening to what the GPS was saying, and as you can see, it said that, and slow down by 30. Current speed is 39, which is over the speed limit. My taxi driver was going a little bit fast. It was super cool hearing it in my ear as like basically a real-time event happening, and it's pretty cool. Now in my TOZO, you can create your profile, but the best thing about this is you can go over to the EQ, where you can actually totally manage the preferences. So I go to more sound effects, and then here you can have bass standard, bass plus, and whatever you might need, whatever sound profile you might need, you can really customize this. If you go up here and you want to further customize it, you can do a profile just for you, and it's really cool. I can really recommend these headphones. This is the TOZO N3. If you want to check out these headphones, I left a link down in the description. Check them out on Amazon. I think this product is a really good value for what you're paying for and what you're getting with it. You get real-time translation, you get waterproof, you get different kind of EQ modes, you got a really cool bass and treble system in here, and it's a high recommend. Check them out, link down in the description below. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose. TOZO, just for good sound.